Hello friends, good day to you all wherever you might be right now across the world. I welcome you to this channel today. This is Last Journey Talk. Okay, in today's video, what I will be sharing with you is how to accumulate Tron coin. That is best way to accumulate Tron coin, and then you can earn 6% daily on your Tron. That is on your TRX coin. So with a company called Tron.Tel business. So I will be reviewing this particular investment platform today. This review, it will be an extensive one. So Tron.Tel, and also you are going to get free 1000 TRX to start. Free 1000 TRX to start. So you just need to start any online now. This is one of the ways whereby you can generate passive or residual income online. So now, best way to accumulate Tron coin, earn 6% daily, Tron.Tel business review, and also you earn free 1000 TRX to start this. So if you don't have enough TRX to start, you can start with this right now, and then you start earning online. So that is what I'm going to share with you today. So firstly, what is Tron coin? Because many people, they don't know what Tron coin really is. So let's go to the cryptocurrency market capitalization to check about this particular crypto coin called Tron coin. So now this is the symbol TRX. So Tron coin is now sold at the rate of $0.005887. That is like 5 cents. Like 5 cents. So you can see that it is very, very small in price right now. But what if you have like 1 million units of this? What if you have like 1,000? What if you have a very large quantity of this coin? So you can say that that is a huge amount of money. Or what if you have a particular platform whereby you can accumulate this Tron coin on daily basis? So you can see that in a very short period of time, you can't predict how much you can earn from this. So Tron coin is a coin that has been listed on the coin market cap, and it is being sold on many cryptocurrency exchange site around the world. So what is Tron coin? Tron coin is a cryptocurrency that is built on Tron protocol. It's just like building ETH on Ethereum blockchain. So we all know about Ethereum, we all know about Bitcoin. So Tron coin is an alternative coin. It is very, very similar to Bitcoin. It's very, very similar to Ethereum, and it is gaining acceptability always on daily basis. So you too, you can explore this coin when it is still low, and you can accumulate as many as possible with a company that I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. So Tron cryptocurrency was created as a way to share and to pay and to store credit, just like the other popular cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and Ethereum. So right now the price of Tron coin is just 0.005 USD, 0.005 USD. So you just need to grip this opportunity to see it as a way whereby you can accumulate Tron coin. So the platform that I will be sharing with you today is Tron.Tel. Is Tron.Tel. Right now you can see I have 1333.940 RX. So you can see that is my own account on it. So, and also if you want more information on this particular company, Tron.Tel, I have the PDF, that is the full presentation in English, so you can go through it. So it shows how legit, how genuine this particular platform is. You can just go about it and to know how to register and how to do. Now you can just check through the PDF here. It comprises a lot of information about the company. The company is situated in Tokyo, that is in Japan, and they also have branches across the world. So you can just check about the company in this presentation. So if you need a copy of this, just message me on WhatsApp so that I can give you a copy of this. And also what is the company really doing, and how are they making the money on daily basis? Because you are going to get 6%. You will get 6% on whatever you have on your deposited Tron coin on daily basis. You are going to get 6% on it. So that means in a month you can get 6 times 30. That is 180% of your total deposited Tron coin in this particular platform. So you can see that this is a way whereby you can make residual income, whereby you can make cool cash on daily basis. So you are going to earn 6% on your deposits with them. All right, so how are they doing this? The reason is that the platform, that is Tron.Tel, they purchased a cloud computing power contract. A cloud computing power contract is being purchased, and they also lease computing power for mining. So they mine Tron coin and they obtain income on this on regular basis. So this is how the income is being generated, and this is how it's being shared with the investors. So they purchase a cloud computing power contract. That is how they are making the money on daily basis. That is how they are making more choice, so that you too, you can enjoy from this company. So what you just need to do is that in this video, I'm going to drop the description box in the description box of this video, I'm going to drop the registration link, and also the Telegram channel of this company. I'm going to drop it as well, so that you can join the channel and you can have full information. You can ask any question from the admin there, so that they can put you through. And also I'm going to show you how to register, and how to deposit, and how to withdraw. I'm going to show you everything in this video. So the first thing that you need to do is that you need to create an account. So for you to have an account, you need a link from your upline. You need a link from an existing user. Okay, so this is how to go about it. This is how to go about it if you want to create an account. So you just you choose your country code here. So for instance, I am in Nigeria, so I'm going to choose Nigeria, which is +234. Okay, so this is Nigeria here. Then your mobile number, you are going to input it here. So you are going to input it here. Then you are going to input your password, then your security password, you are going to input it. So this code, this is your upline code, and also this is you are going to repeat the code here. You are going to repeat the code here. So after that, then you are going to click on this button and your account will be created instantly. Please don't forget your login details. It is very, very important, so that your account will be secured, and so that it won't be hacked by some intruders. So make sure that you create your account and make sure that it is well secured. All right, so this is how to log in. This is how to sign up into your account. You just need a referral link. So in the description box of this video as well, you are going to get the registration link to start to create your own account now. Okay, and after you have created your account, you will be given 1000 TRX. You'll be given 1000 TRX, which you can use to start. You'll be given 1000 TRX. So I was given 1000 TRX, and you can see what I have right now. So, and after that, you need to activate your account with 5 TRX. You need to activate your account with 5 Tron coin. You can see the result of you can see the trading profit. Today I have received 75.51 TRX. Here I have received 71.23. Here 63.6, 63.6, 60.00. So that is how you get 6% of your deposited Tron coin on daily basis. And the sweet part of it is that you will be given 1000 TRX on start. So whenever you have successfully created an account, 1000 TRX will be automatically deposited to your account, as you can see it here. $1,000, I'm sorry, 1000 TRX will be deposited to your own personal account. So what you now need to do is that you'll be claiming your reward, that is your profit on daily basis. Just click on receive. You are not doing any task to get this. You are not doing any task. So since you have deposited, then your TRX will be increasing on daily basis. So but what you just need to do to get your account activated is that you need to deposit 5 TRX. 5 TRX to activate your account. So how can you do that? You come to this particular place in your account, you click on mine. So after you have clicked on mine, then you click on deposit. So after you have clicked on deposit, then you are going to copy this address. So this alphanumeric code will be copied. You copy it down to your own external wallet address where you have your Tron coin. So after you have copied it, then you are going to from that your external wallet, you are going to send the amount of TRX that you wish to send. But don't forget, the minimum number of TRX that you are going to send is just 5 to activate your account. So I'm going to do that right now so that you will know how to get it done. So let me pause this. You can, as you can see now, I have successfully deposited a particular amount of Tron coin to this account. So after you have done that, then you click on get the deposit amount button here. So you click on it so that your account will be activated. So let me reload this. Okay, so let me go back to the account to see how it's going to be. Okay, so initially I had 1,333 TRX, and right now I deposited 9 TRX and it has been added to, you can see, TRX deposit quantity, that is 9 TRX. So my account has now been activated. It has been activated, so I can withdraw, I can deposit, and I will continually earn 6% on my total number of Tron coin on daily basis. So you can see this is how to get it done. So you can withdraw, you can withdraw both basic and promotion accounts. So when you have referral, that is when you invite your friends to this business, then you will also get promotional bonus, which you can withdraw automatically, which you can withdraw on daily basis whenever you have the minimum withdrawal TRX in your wallet address. All right, so thank you for watching this video. If you want more information on this particular company, then join the Telegram channel. Join the Telegram channel that I'm going to drop it in the description box of this video, so that you can have more information on how it works, or if you have any questions, so that you can ask. And also, if you want a copy of the company's presentation in PDF, you can chat me up on WhatsApp. And also, if you have any question on this video, you can chat me up on WhatsApp, or you can contact me through my email address here. I'm going to answer your questions. I'm going to reply to your messages as soon as possible. All right, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It is very, very important. Very, very important. Subscribe and click on the notification bell and turn it to all notifications, so that you'll be continually aware of the next update. And if you found that this video is meaningful to you and useful, then don't hesitate to like this video and share with your friends and family. Okay, and give me a thumbs up. All right, so till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead, and bye for now.